So our last example from this section is to find the dot product and the angle between two vectors. It's going to be very similar to the one problem that we did out of 9.5. In fact, there's no difference at all as we go to do this problem. So as we take care of number 54, it gives us a vector v, and the vector v is 2i plus 2j minus k, and the vector w is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, looking at what they gave us. And so they're going to ask us to find the dot product. Well, no problem. We know that all you do to find the dot product is multiply the I terms together, or coefficients, multiply the j coefficients together, and multiply the k coefficients together, and add them up. And so what do we get out of this process? We get 2 plus 4 minus 3. And so we get 6 minus 3 for 3. That is what the dot product is. So how do we get the angle between v and w? Same way. Cosine theta is going to be equal to v dot w all over the magnitude of v times the magnitude of w. That formula doesn't change for 3 space. So dot products still are the same. The angle in between is still the same. So we figured out the top already is 3. If we look at the magnitude of v, if I come back up to the top and we look at the magnitude of v, I'll just try to sneak it right underneath. It's 4 plus 4 plus 1. And so that's the square root of 9 for 3 in there. And if we look at the magnitude of w, it's the square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is the square root of 14. And so we're looking at the value 1 over root 14. And so let's go take the cosine inverse of that. The moment that we're able to get an answer out is the moment that we'll have our result. So let's go take cosine inverse of 1 divided by the square root of 14, and we have 74.498, and it just keeps going. They have in the back of the book 74.5 degrees, and that's how you find the angle in between, just like our 9.5 experience.